welcome to my channel. I am here to share with you guys another awesome Temu haul. Now, if you guys know me, I love Temu. I have been loving their products. I use their products all the time. Some of the stuff is like a daily thing, and some are just perfect for here and there, and I'm excited to share with you guys what I got. Now, if you guys don't know this, Temu is celebrating their 1-year anniversary. 1-year anniversary, and if you guys haven't already, you definitely want to get their app. You definitely want to get their app. Download the app, and if you enter the code DKD8744, I will have it below, you guys can end up getting a Temu or $100 coupon bundle. Not off, but a coupon bundle. I'm not sure the whole entitlements of that, but it will share with you guys everything, a lot of the things that I share with you guys, some of my favorite items, so I'm pretty excited to share with you guys on this. Now, some of the items may or may not be sold out on the stuff that I share with you guys, but it always will come back, or there's other stuff that's very similar to it. I always say you want to read the reviews. The reviews are the best thing that I love, because then you can tell how well the item is, you can tell like all that fun stuff. And with the app, you can also make easy reviews yourself. That's one thing that I absolutely rely on, is reviews, so you definitely want to do that. But having the app, they're having an anniversary sale where you guys will get a ton. They have a ton of $1 items, which I am excited to check out, because if I can use those $1 items for my small business or everyday life, I'm going to definitely go ahead and do it. But today's haul is going to be household items. Stuff that you guys need or you want for your household. So let's just dig in, and I can share with you guys what I got. So this thing I am super excited for. This was $8.49, and you're like, what is it? It's a pizza pack, you guys, like a pizza pack. So we're always wrapping up our pizzas all the time, and like sometimes we wrap them up in like the tin foil that they came in, or we just wrap them up in a container, but then we have to like slightly bend them because it doesn't always fit in the containers that we have. So I thought, let's try this out. This holds up to 5 slices of pizza, which I am super excited for, you guys. But all it is you got your little container, you open it up, so they have individual slices of pizza, and you can stack them up on top of each other. So you got 5 little individual plates, and this expands out. So if you guys need to stack up your pizza pies, you can actually stack them up and put your pizza in here. And I thought this would be cute to put our pizza in here. Like, why not? Try something cool. We eat pizza literally every single week. Sometimes we have like 1 or 2 slices left to go. And then this is great. I don't know if you can heat this up in your microwave. It doesn't say anything if you could heat it up, but basically it just stores a single slice or a tire pizza. It stacks up. So that's kind of cool, and it looks like, I like it how it flattens up, because then you can easily store it. And then here, I don't know if you need to get some of the air. So maybe it is microwavable. I don't know. It doesn't show anywhere on here, but still gonna try it out. I won't use it for a microwave, but I'm still gonna try it out. So we got that. I ended up just getting this little container to put stuff in here. It's got an easy little holder, like you can put sugar, rice. This was actually $1.59, pretty decent. So we got that. Now this is something I'm pretty excited for. It is a lazy 3-in-1 household cleaner. It's called an eye brush. This is $18.49. I want to say it's like a little broom, for like carpet and stuff. So it rotates. Yeah, it's just like a small little hand vac, like a tiny little vac. I thought that was cute. For $18.49, this is perfect, because we always have to dig out our vacuum cleaner out, and I'm like, what do you want? Nothing. I don't get anything for you. I always have to bring out like the vacuum cleaner, so I'm like, maybe this will just do like a quick sweep with like crumbs and stuff. So I got that. We just recently went on vacation. I was hoping we got this stuff before we went on vacation, but we were in hot California and we were sweating. So I thought I wanted to get my husband one of those neck fans. So I just dropped something. This was $14.99. I saw a lot of people have something like this. It is very flexible, so that's kind of cool. But all you do is you just have it right here on your neck. I don't know if it'll turn on. Let's see. Otherwise, I might have to charge it.
I can go charge it right now.
So it's on.
Let's see how it feels.
I gotta figure out what way it goes.
No, it goes that way.
This way.
And I think there's supposed to be a light.
Okay, so there's a fan right here, and I can just feel that air, and then, yeah, so right here is where the fan comes, and it like just goes up my cheeks and stuff. So like you can adjust it if however you want it, which is kind of cool because this is perfect for like if you're mowing the lawn, you're sitting somewhere. I don't know how loud it is with you guys. I feel like I am talking a little bit louder than normal, but I like it. I like it. I wish I had this when we were in California. I really did. And then there's this an easy off button, which I'm left-handed, so I get it mixed up. Where'd the button go?
The button right here.
The button's right here on the side. Oh. There's 3 spin cycles. And then it just charges with a USB card. So go give that to your dad. That is something cool. It did come in different colors, but for $14.99, that is
what
awesome.
color did that blue one?
It was like navy blue.
What's that
So,
kind?
that was cool. I really like that. I liked that. So the next item I got is something that is going viral. Viral. And it's those Stanley Cups. And I really wanted to see what this whole Stanley Cup thing was about. So I ended up getting a Temu version of it. Why? Because I don't want to spend $40 on a cup. So this was $13.49. It's not as good as that, but I really love the color. Oh, I really like this. I love like leopard print. So I got one that's like a light purple with the leopard print, and the print is kind of like a holographic. It's got some weight to it. Now, I really like the metal cups because the metal cups really keep your ice in there. So the handle is plastic, but the cup is a metal cup. Love it. This holds a lot of drink. A lot of drink. And then it's got your cover to it. Does it rotate? So it doesn't look like this part rotates unless I maybe, hey, quiet please. So then, yeah, so you can rotate it if you want to if you want to sip out of it, or you can rotate it where if you just want the straw, but it just twists on just like that. I don't know how leak proof it is, but then it just comes with like just a regular plastic straw. The straw is just a little bit loose on here, but I'm excited for this, just for water or adult beverages if I'm out and about. So super excited for that. But for $13.49, it's so worth it. Yes. Okay, I got a couple more things to share with you guys. Ben, please go upstairs.
How about that?
Then the next thing I got is I just got like a little sandwich thing to make a butterfly. Like, so when I make sandwiches for my daughter, this was 39 cents. All it is just a little sandwich press that she can have a butterfly sandwich. A butterfly sandwich for 39 cents is something cute to add to your little lunches. Please go upstairs. The next thing I got is a little handheld fan. Now, I wanted to get all this stuff before we went on vacation, and I didn't get a chance to get it before we left. It came the day after we left on vacation. But I ended up getting a little handheld fan. This is $5.99. This is like a little cute little fan. So there's 4 levels on here. It's actually digitalized, so it shows the numbers right on here. But I mean, it says 73, which I don't know if that's how many degrees it is in the house. But yeah, this is perfect. 4 levels, $5.99 for a little fan. So cute. I wish I had that when we were on 100-degree weather waiting in line. But yes, definitely recommend that. But yeah, large wind, no noise, high value fan. But yeah, okay. The next thing I got is just something like this. My husband's always like carrying, especially like cords and stuff, like extension cords. And this was $2.49. So all it is just, it's Velcro, and you just wrap your cords or whatever you want to hang, and then you just hang it. I thought this would be something cute, not cute, but something industrial, like for us to hang if you have to hang like hoses or something and you just need a little hook. So it's a 3-pack for $2.49. The next thing, I got a couple more items to share with you guys. I ended up getting this little under-counter basket. Now this basket was $5.99. They did come in different sizes, but I thought this would be cool to have underneath my sink. Actually, I forgot. Oh, no, actually, this is something I wanted to put like underneath my bathroom sink so I could like roll something out if I need any cleaning supplies or if I need to put it in something. I thought this, I'm going to try out, and I might get more of these, but it does have little wheels on the bottom. This did come in different sizes. I think I got the biggest size that it was, but you can't go wrong with like a little rolly shelf, something to put like cleaning supplies in, and then it's easier to grab at it. Now I also ended up getting this under sink organizer. This was $13.99. I got this for underneath my kitchen sink because we all have stuff like all on the bottom, but I thought it'd be kind of cool to make 2 levels of it so I can kind of clear some of the space out. But it comes in black or white. I don't know what color this is, but it's about this width, and then it goes about high. But I really read the reviews, and a lot of people said they loved it. So if this is something I like, I might get more of these for like all of my bathrooms and stuff like that. But for $13.99, you cannot go wrong with that. I ended up getting this little cute little bag. This was $2.62. Now, I have a lot of cords. When we go traveling, I have to have a cord for my phone. I have to have a cord for my laptop, the Nintendo Switch, all that stuff. And I thought this would be something cute to like put all our cords on it. And it actually has a little pouch right here, a little pouch right there. And then it has another pouch with little individual things. So I thought this would be a cute little organizer just for cords. Phone cords, all that little stuff, so I can keep track of everything and not lose it. But for $2.62, that is awesome. I also ended up getting a dirty laundry bag. Every time we travel, I'm like, what do we do with our clothes? What do we do with our clothes? Because I don't want to mix them up with our traveling. When we traveled recently, we ended up using all these bags, and I put each day of our outfits in these bags, and it helped it so much. But I never have anything to do with my laundry bag, dirty laundry. So this was $1.39, and this is a huge bag, you guys. For $1.39, I thought this would be something to put all of our dirty laundry in when we travel. I mean, and then all I have to do is just shove this whole bag just right back in my suitcase, and wham bam, thank you ma'am, it is ready to go. So got myself a dirty laundry bag to put all my laundry in. And then I ended up getting this little hamper. I thought this might be something kind of cool to bring too when we travel, depending on where we travel. But this was $3.29. And this is a little hamper also that I thought this would be kind of cool for us to throw our clothes in, you know, again, while we travel. So we have stuff to put our dirty laundry in instead of just all back in our suitcase and stuff like that. But, I mean, look how big it gets and then how small it gets. Like, this is something that's easy travel. It does have a little bit of a metal ring around it, but it is very flexible. But, I mean, it does lay flat, and for that price, $3.29, I thought that'd be cute to have, especially when we travel. So that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys for traveling household items. It's perfect. I'm pretty excited to use this mug. I'm so excited. I will definitely have to share an Instagram review for you guys if I do use that, but I'm pretty excited to start using that stuff. The fans are perfect, but a lot of stuff for easy traveling, easy household stuff. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the Temu app. Definitely check out their dollar sales that they're having for their 1-year anniversary sale. Check out the codes and all the links I have below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more awesome saving hauls, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.